Welcome to the New York State Virtual Kidz Expo. I'm Trooper Gaynor with the New York State Police, and today we're going to talk about drones. Drones are remote-controlled aircraft that can go really high in the sky, and they have very different camera systems on them that allow us to do different operations. The drone that we have here is one of our outdoor drones. It has two cameras available on it, a visual camera and a thermal camera that lets us see what the temperatures are of surfaces. It has 4 motors that allow it to go up in the air, and also we use the flashing light systems on it to let other aircraft know that we're in the area. The smaller drones that we have, we utilize for flying indoors. So we'll do a quick demonstration. We utilize the controller, which has sticks that allow me to control the drone up and down and left and right. It has a screen on it that allows me to see everything that the camera sees. We'll start up the motors. We'll be able to take off. And from here we can rotate the drone. Also use the controller to bring the drone backwards and forwards, left and right controls, and also bring it down and bring it up. Once we're done flying, when we bring it back to our position, we use the controls to land it. As a police officer, our job is to keep you safe, and these drones are tools that we utilize to do that. The drones allow us to get an aerial view of a large area where police officers that are on the ground would be unable to see. Here at the Capitol, we've used the drone to monitor the fireworks, crowds, some of the live concert events, as well as traffic. The drone also allows us to view areas that are unsafe for officers to go. Thank you for joining me and learning a little bit about drones.